everyone, so today I have got a exciting video and I have got a Valentine's Day advent calendar. This, believe it or not, is the brightest room in my house right now. Have we got the gloomiest year of ever? I'm literally sitting in a cubby hole of a corner in my corridor just to get light from the two windows I have coming, one through that door and one there. And I'm still looking like I'm in darkness. But anyways, we have got a Valentine's Day advent calendar. This is a jewellery type advent calendar. I'm quite excited to unbox this. I think this cost me £16. This is what it looks like. Yeah, I actually bought it off the range. We're going to see. I think it's very questionable because I don't actually think it's from the range. I think it's like a seller through the range. But we're going to unbox it anyway. So we have day number 1, which is here. I purchased this all for you. Yous that love advent calendars. So the first thing we've got is a little ring. And it's like a rose gold style ring with little butterflies on. Doesn't feel the best quality. Feels more like a child's size. That's what it looks like. That's quite pretty, to be honest. I quite like the way it looks. It would look nicer if I had nicer looking nails. That was day number 1. With day number 2, we have got some full gold style, twisted style hoops. Yeah, I used to have a pair of earrings like this in real gold when I was younger and I used to love them. That is them there. They're not bad, are they? They're quite nice. Quite like them. I don't know what this works out at a day per day, but I'll put it on the screen. We have got day number 3. Let's have a look at this. Oh, not keen on this day. We have got some butterfly studs in the gold tone again. I'm not a gold tone wearer, to be honest. Not keen on them ones. That was 3. With day number 4. Day number 4 is a bit of a bigger day. So we will see what we have got in day number 4. It looks like some sort of necklace. Looks quite tangled. Not really a good start, is it? So this is what it looks like here. So it's like a 3-tier necklace. I'd rather have them come separately so you won't actually happen to untangle them, because I feel like this is just a tangle mess waiting to happen and it's unavoidable. But that is day number 4. We're on to day number 5. I'm sure this was meant to be silver toned, but it is what it is. It is what it is. What can I do? It's gold toned. It's not really what I wanted. I thought it was silver tone, I'm sure. Unless I've clicked the wrong box or something like that. Day number 5 is another one I'm not so keen on. It is that a necklace to match them. Stud earrings, butterfly, pink, gold tone again. Not for me, if I'm being honest. Definitely not for me. Day number 6. The gold tone is quite a nice tone though. It looks quite, especially on them twisted earrings, looks quite real, if you understand what I mean. Right, so we have got in day number 6, is that right? Something else that's tangled. And this looks like Christmassy. It is. This might be a Valentine's Day advent calendar. I don't understand this. We've got a reindeer necklace. I mean, I quite like that, to be honest. Yeah, but wrong time of year. Very pretty though, but definitely wrong time of year. Wait, we want day number 7. We've got earrings to match this necklace that we've just got. I mean, we're going to have to wait all year to use them, but that is them there. A little pearl. Right, 7. We want day number 8. We have got an infinity symbol. Bracelet, I'm assuming. Yes. Oh dear, come on, come on, come on, come on. With like gemmy stones in. Oh dear, just come for me. There. It doesn't want to show. There. There we go. I feel like this looks very cheap. Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of that one. Okay, that was 9. Was that 8? No, that was 8. We are on 9. We've got another rose gold tone ring, and this is what it looks like here. Very, actually quite nice. I feel like this reminds me a bit of a Pandora ring that I actually own. I think I still own it. With hearts. So yeah, we've got that one. Day number 10. We have got another little pair of hoopy earrings. The gold tone on these is not very nice, I must admit. These more brassy gold with a little pearl dangling down, and that is them. That was 10. We want to day number 11. It's a long one, day number 11. Oh, I don't know whether I pulled that out of the wrong day. So I think this is day number 11. I feel like I pulled one out the wrong day. That is day number 11. I do not like this. I think that's quite awful, if I'm being honest. It's that rosy gold tone, but not a very nice tone. Yeah, I'm not keen on that. It's actually missing one of the stones. So yeah, that's not very good, is it? Okay. We want tray number 12. We've got something that's a little love heart. This is what I get for buying stuff. I was just like, oh, I think that'll make a good little unboxing video, and I may get like something I could give to my niece. But up to now, I'm not the biggest fan of a lot of this stuff, I must admit. This is quite cute, actually. The gold tone's quite nice. Little love heart bracelet. Very cute. So, yeah, that is quite cute. That was 12. We want day number 13. Alright, what's this? This is a butterfly bracelet with little pearls. That's what it looks like. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure what I think about that. Don't think the pearls and butterfly kind of go. We're day number 14. Another one. Let's see what we've got on this day. Another one in a little bag. We have got, oh, I'm not keen on this either. A butterfly with a like gem. Don't like that. I think it would be nice just as a little pretty butterfly. Yeah, not for me. I'm very fussy with my jewellery though. So yeah. Right, 15. We have got another little pair of goldy hoop earrings. And they're just like a slight twist to them. And that is them there. That's them there. We want day number 16. We have got another infinity bracelet, but with like heart rate monitor type thing on. It's twisted as well. That's it there. I feel like, yeah, I'm not keen on that. I feel like this has been a bit of a fail. Like 17. Oh, we've got another one of them butterflies to go with the earrings and the necklace. There we go. Reminds me a bit of them like rings you would get in the 20p machine when you were younger. Deary me. 17. I'm being harsh, but kind of truthful. I don't know. You let me know. Right, we have got a necklace with a butterfly. This is what it looks like. I actually like the pearl with the butterfly on this one. I think it's quite nice. Yeah, I think that's nice. That one's nice. It's alright. I wouldn't purchase it. That was that what, 18? We want 19. Nothing is very exciting. Oh, we've got another one of them, like, to go with the necklace. Oh, dearie me. Not my biggest fan, I must admit. I think whoever designed that just doesn't have good taste, in my opinion. I don't like that at all. Right, we want 21, or do we want 20? No, we want 20. I'm even losing where I am now, because I'm like, oh, could it get any worse? Could it get any worse? We have got little hoops with pearls on. This is what it looks like, yeah. They're alright. They're alright. Right, 21. We have got a ring. Oof. Like a flower ring. We've got that. I'll reserve judgment on that so I don't sound too negative. 22. Oh, these are quite nice. These are not too bad. We have got a larger pair of hoop style earrings and they have like a pearl on them. They're quite nice. I think they're pretty. I think they're quite pretty. Yeah, I'm happy with them. 21. No, 20, whatever. The next day, I forgot where I am. 23, 24, something like that. Oh, we've got another one of these. 3 tiara, is it? Necklaces. Oh dear, honestly, I feel like this advent calendar has been the vein of my life. I'm being very judgmental, I'm sorry. Yeah, I can't get that untangled. This is kind of what one of them bits look like, and then I think it's got stars. I've spent like 5 minutes trying to untangle that. I haven't really got the time in my life for that, if I'm being honest. So yeah, that's kind of how I feel about that. And then the last day, we've got these chunky hoops, which I actually quite like. I don't like how they look nice like that, but then you see they've got like a hole there. Don't like that. Kind of a cheap finish. That is the last day. But then I did have this one, so that number 15 or whatever it was must have been a double whammy day. This one must have been a double whammy day, and it's like a heart monitor thing. So yeah, that's that. Overall, what do I think of this advent calendar? Honestly, it's not very good. I feel like I wasted about, I think I paid £16. I honestly don't know how much I paid. It was around £15–16. I feel like I've wasted my money. Can I get a refund? It's absolutely like awful. In my opinion. Oh, it's awful. It's very cheaply made jewellery. Worse than pound shop in my opinion. There's a couple of nice little pieces. Nothing I really would particularly want, but I'm sure it was meant to be silver tone as well. And I got gold tone, which I'm not the biggest like happiness of it. But yeah, that is my Valentine's Day advent calendar. I hope you enjoyed this video. And anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love you to subscribe down below, and I will see you all in the next video.